Hey everybody, welcome to Live Local. I'm here with Jordan Crane and we are standing inside a 10 by 14 tall gable shed.
That's it.
What are we doing in here? Stick around and find out. I'm here at All Size Shed right off of Kellogg and Tyler in West Wichita. I'm here with Jordan Crane.
Hey.
Local businessman, local owner of All Size Shed. So Jordan, tell us a little bit about All Size Shed and what you guys do here.
Absolutely. Our big hook is we come and actually cut and assemble a storage building on site in your backyard, custom built exactly how you need it to fit your needs.
If somebody has like a small fence or something, like y'all just bring all the wood and materials in there and just build it from the ground up?
Absolutely. Nothing is pre-cut, nothing is pre-assembled. We bring it all out. We set up a cut table in the backyard. We'll do all the layout and framing right there and build it piece by piece.
So how long does a shed build in somebody's backyard take?
The vast majority are 1 day. As we get to the larger end, it can be a 2-day job. Often we'll team up several builders together to ensure we can be in and out as quickly as possible.
1 day you can get a shed built. And actually, a few years ago, I had All Size Shed come out to my house and they built one for us in 1 day. And it was awesome. It was like a 10 by 14.
I think so, yes.
It was about this size, yeah, that we're in here. So you do build a lot of spec sheds, but you can also do a custom build?
Absolutely. We've done tiny houses, we've done cabins, we've done greenhouses, we've done she sheds and man caves, we've done pool houses with a restroom inside of it. The sky is kind of the limit.
Nice. Did you hear that? He said man cave. You can get your man cave shed built in your backyard. So what's another service that you offer?
Absolutely. We also will move an existing building from one property to the other or within the backyard. Oftentimes people have had a shed for years and they are going to build a pool and they need to move the shed somewhere else on location or even to another site entirely, and we do offer that as well. So
watch this time lapse real quick of them building a shed in a backyard. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'm Troy.
And I'm Jordan.
And we're reminding you to live local. We'll see you next time.